Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am going to be participating in another fall challenge. This one is being hosted by Tracy of the Holiday Cookie Diva. For this challenge, there were 4 rules. You had to have some sort of tray, some floral or leaves, a candle, and some sort of seasonal decor. I'll put a link to Tracy's channel as well as the playlist down below when the playlist link is available. So please be sure to check out both her channel and the playlist. I'm sure there'll be lots of fun ideas that you can use in your home. And now I'll show you what I'm planning to do. So I already have a tray, this one, that I am planning on repurposing for this challenge. And some of you may recognize that tray. I did it for a challenge back in the spring that was hosted by Zane of At Home with Zane. And if you're not familiar with his channel, you should check that one out as well. But I am going to leave some of these elements the same. I'm definitely using the same tray, but I'm just going to switch it up a little bit for the fall season. So stay tuned to see what I do. Here is my finished tray. As you can see, I kept one of the candles and I kept my floral that I have in this jar. But I've placed the candle in front of it as well as some of these muted pumpkins so that it hides more of the turquoise blue color. I have also turned the plate in the back so that most of the turquoise design is hidden by the pumpkins. And then I've added these 3 felted pumpkins that I purchased. I believe I got them on clearance at Target after the season a year or 2 ago. And then I've put in one of my little Target birds that I thought had the colors that were in this display. It's mostly muted, but there is a little tiny bit of orange in the cap to tie in with the apricot colored candle and the apricot in the hydrangea blossoms. So that is my autumn tray display. If you didn't see my initial video of the tray, what it looked like beforehand, I'll put a link to that in my card and the description box below. And I'll also put in a link of my Target bird collection that I recently posted. And here is my tray displayed on the shelves where I am keeping it. This is upstairs in my bonus room on one side of my fireplace. Thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you liked how I transformed the tray for fall. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll join us in this community. Again, I'd like to thank the Holiday Cookie Diva for hosting this challenge. Please make sure to check out her channel and the playlist. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.